Alrighty, now that we've got our Sara Lee family size classic pound cake into our 13 by 9, I just put a little bit of eggnog to soak all into that delicious pound cake. And I grabbed some cherry pie filling. I thought that would go really nice with this flavor combination. And I'm using 2 cans of this pie filling so we can get some nice coverage here. And we are I'm making sure I'm getting everything out of the can because I want to get this all nice and covered. Alrighty, I'm just going to slide that to the side. And now I've got my Cool Whip here. I'm using a large size container, thawed. And I'm coming in with some green food coloring. Woo! And we are going to start giving this a good mix, making this Cool Whip a beautiful green color. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so beautiful, so festive, y'all. I love how versatile Cool Whip is and how it just can take on so many different flavors and textures. Look at that, gorgeous. All right, we're bringing back in our cherry eggnog Sara Lee cake, and I'm gonna start glopping my green Cool Whip on here. I'm gonna start with that amount and I'm just gonna start spreading from the center out. If it's marbleized white a little bit, that's totally fine. No worries at all. I think it still looks very beautiful, wintry. Gosh, you could even put a flavoring into this Cool Whip if you wanted a peppermint, maybe not with the cherries and your eggnog, but look how fun this would be as a peppermint dessert. Y'all, Christmas is the most beautiful, exciting time of year. This is such an easy dessert that you can make for your family, your friends, your neighbors, for the bake sale, the potluck, whatever you've got going on. This is a really fun and beautiful way to celebrate the holidays. Alrighty, I've got these cute little Christmas themed sprinkles. And I am going to come in and just put a light dusting of these on here. I gotta tell you guys, Marty doesn't like sprinkles, but I'm sorry, how do you celebrate a festive holiday without them? That's what I'm asking y'all right now. All right, now do you guys know these Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes? Check that out. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna stick this little guy just like that. Oh, these are my favorite, y'all. So exciting to see them coming back for this time of year. They are the absolute best, quick and easy treat in my opinion. Perfect. Alrighty. I am going to stick this in my fridge actually, excuse me. Look at that gorgeous cherry, our eggnog soaked Sara Lee on the bottom, and this gorgeous green on top here. I just love it. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about an hour and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Alrighty, everyone, it's Christmas time. Look at our beautiful dessert. Eggnog cherry cake. I am so excited for this, y'all. The Little Debbie Christmas trees, our green Cool Whip, our cherry pie filling, our eggnog soaked Sara Lee cake down there. No bake, super easy, perfect for the holidays. Doing a lot of cooking, you just want an easy dessert. This one is it. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. Alrighty, and I have a very special holiday guest who's gonna give this a try.
Wow, this looks incredible. All right, moment of truth. That eggnog, that cherry, that Sara Lee. All right. Oh my gosh. And we can't forget the Little Debbie. Elaine, you've outdone yourself. You gotta try it.
You gotta try it. Merry Christmas!